What's going on, guys? Let's go ahead and analyze the NQ futures, which is the Nasdaq 100. So today, we're coming off of yesterday's extended selling pressure. One thing that I do want to point out is that we did make it in yesterday's channel, so officially back on an inside bar day. Now we've got some earnings coming out today, and also this week we've got Amazon, we've got Apple, amongst other names. You can see here a little bit of a sell-off going into the last power hour here, but one thing that I do want to point out, the orange line on our screen is yesterday's lows. So the dotted lines here is going to be our overnight session highs, our overnight session lows. Again, we kind of tagged this area 2 times, buyers showing around the 15,300s area that we do have a little bit of support there. Now, the first setup that essentially we got came at around 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We got our confirmation here getting back inside of yesterday's range here. Even if we would have given it a 1-bar stop, this would have been our stop loss down here. Below this green candle. Now the green candle is our reason why candle. Again, we got to trust technical analysis. So once we pushed back into this range here, we back tested our rising support. So use that 20 SMA as a gauge. Even though we closed below, we never took out our 1-bar stop. Example, if you missed this trade, you got another setup here at 755. We got back over into this range above the 20 SMA. Our entry would have been around 15,426. Now I did play little bit of futures today. $35 on the MES. I'm running a little bit of a test there on MES, but I took a mini contract at 335, and I also took micros here for $105. So not too bad. Close to $500 on the day. So that's definitely pretty good here, considering that I didn't trade a lot of futures. But if we look at the breakout here going into yesterday's channel, getting above the overnight session highs here. Again, if you wanted to wait for total confirmation to actually close above the overnight session highs, that candle came at 8:10 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. Entry would have been somewhere around 15,450, and within 5 minutes we ran up around 28 points. So again, even though this is just a 1-bar kind of take profit, getting the profits on the run up here, 20, 25, 30 points is definitely very good. So when you're kind of thinking about where should you be taking profits, I would say 15, 20, 25 points. If you can manage to squeeze 30, that's a hell of a trade. Again, consolidated sideways here, kind of really holding the top range here, and then putting that last and final leg up so far in the day at around 15,523 before crashing all the way down. Now, not necessarily a crash down, but we crashed down to the overnight session highs, tried to consolidate, failed to get that continued breakout here, and we did get a short position here at around 1205. You also had a short position here that you would still be in, 2 of them actually. Essentially at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, your stop would have been 15,499, and your entry price would have been around 15,483. So around 15 points worth of room. And from the 483s down to the 424s, you can see that that's 30, 40, 50 points, right? So again, where do you want to be taking profits? When we break down a level of demand, we want to take profits in the next level of demand. If we start to break down below 15,414, we want to take profits closer into the next area of demand here. So definitely keep that on watch. If we do bounce, you're going to need to get back over the 20 SMA before you got any type of long setup there. But just kind of want to review today's price action. Let me know how you guys did today. I did go live on YouTube for around a couple of hours, kind of just outlining some trades and going over the price action in real time. If you guys have a chance, go over to the live videos that were uploaded today, and you can definitely sit there and watch that live stream. But again, hope you guys all had a fantastic day. If you guys want to join the team at Evolution Traders, August mentorships have opened up. So again, not too many spots available. Make sure to go to evolutiontraders.com and sign up for that lifetime membership there. It's a one-time fee. Again, you guys are going to get everything included with that, with the daily watch list, the live trading, the technical analysis breakdowns, the mindset help, the coaching, and the positivity that comes along with trading with other traders who are doing this on an each and every single day basis. But again, I'll see you guys all in the next video here. And again, hope you guys had a great trading day.